Hi, I'm Danette May, and I'm America's leading healthy lifestyle expert, and it is my mission to impact millions of lives around the world to really stepping into ultimate health and healing, and a healing mindset. So we all know that you can look on Instagram and you can look on social media and you see all these thin bodies, but are you really knowing what's going on internally? Most of the time, people are not really consuming healing things, and we're judging health by an outer exterior like the body. I'm all about healing from within to reflect on the outside. I'm all about anti-aging and really stepping into feeling good, not just looking good, but really feeling good as well as looking good. So I have a 3-day detox that I know is going to help you get to that next level in your life, not just within your body and your health goals, but also with where are you going with your relationships, where are you going with your career and the things that are beating in your heart. Here's what I know is that what we eat really affects the way we think, really affects the way we feel internally as well as what we feel spiritually around us. And so what I would love to do is challenge you to my 3-day detox. There have already been around 200,000 people around the world who have done this 3-day detox with raving reviews. People that had skin disorders or different ailments inside the body and saw tremendous results. People that were like, man, just eating these foods, I got rid of toxic relationships, or I stepped into that goal or that dream in my heart because I got a little bit more confidence and I felt better internally. What I believe is when you feel good, you do good. So it's time that we step into something that's actually healing for us. There's a lot of myth out there around detox, right? And a lot of it's about deprivation. And a lot of it's just really not even good for your body. This is a 3-day whole you healing detox where we're gonna be eating actually and consuming food so that we're replenishing the cells. We're not only releasing toxins out of the body, but we're replenishing so that we're healing the system and the regenerated cells that are happening when we're releasing these toxins. So I wanna tell you a little bit about it. This is some of the spices that we use in here. You're gonna actually have chocolate inside of this detox. You're gonna be consuming foods that you actually like cinnamon and ginger. Obviously, we're gonna have greens in here, but they're gonna be hidden. You're gonna be eating things that are actually delicious. I'm gonna be giving you every day what you need to be eating. I'm gonna make it really simple for you so you can just go down to your grocery store, buy these ingredients. They're gonna synergistically work together to really maximize the results inside the system to flush out toxins, all while regenerating the cells with nutrients. So I know this is gonna be game-changing for you. I'm so excited for you to get your hands on this 3-day detox. Go ahead and click the link up above to get started right away.